Welcome to Animated Maths for All, Series 1, Maths No Myth. Today, we'll dive into an exciting adventure to understand perimeter. The team needs to decorate the mansion and the park with string lights. They realize they must first measure the perimeter of the bushes inside the park to know how much length of the string lights to buy. They start by measuring and marking the lengths of the bushes. They find various lengths like 6 meters, 7 meters, and 8 meters, marking them on the map. Looking closely at one L-shaped patch, they see one side is 6 meters and the top is 7 meters. The inner sides are currently unmeasured. Manco wonders how to find the perimeter of this L-shaped figure, since it is neither a simple square nor a rectangle. Manco has an idea. If you move the two unmeasured short sides of the L shape, they could form a complete square or rectangle, simplifying the calculation. By moving the smaller, unmeasured horizontal red line down, they see that it combines with the existing bottom red line to equal the total top length of 7 meters. Similarly, the unmeasured vertical blue line, when moved, completes the side to equal the total vertical length of 6 meters. Using this method, Manco calculates the perimeter of the L-shaped bush A as 6 meters plus 7 meters plus 6 meters plus 7 meters, totaling 26 meters. A friend points out that there are similar bushes on both sides of the park, suggesting a shortcut for calculating the total length. The team realizes they can calculate the perimeter of one similar bush and multiply the result by 2 to get the total length for both. They confirm the strategy, find the perimeter of the small bushes on one side, and multiply that value by 2 for the total length needed for similar bushes. Now, equipped with their new knowledge, they are ready to calculate the total perimeter for all the bushes in the park. They label the bushes A, B, C, and D for easy calculation. The children and Manco gather around the blueprint to work together and find the total perimeter needed for the string lights. First, they calculate the perimeter of bush A. Since it's a rectangle, the perimeter is calculated as 4 times 6 meters, resulting in 24 meters. Multiplying by 2 gives 48 meters for bushes A and D. Next, they calculate the perimeter of bush B. The sum of the side lengths is 6 meters plus 7 meters plus 6 meters plus 7 meters, totaling 26 meters. This multiplied by 2 gives 52 meters for bushes B and C. They calculate the perimeter of bush C. These sides are 8 meters plus 6 meters plus 8 meters plus 6 meters, which equals 28 meters. Multiplying by 2 gives 56 meters for bush C. The calculation for bush D follows the same logic as C. 8 meters plus 6 meters plus 8 meters plus 6 meters equals 28 meters. Multiplied by 2, this section totals 56 meters. The total perimeter for all inside bushes is the sum of all their perimeters. 48 meters plus 52 meters plus 56 meters plus 56 meters, which equals 212 meters. Now they move on to measure the perimeter of the outside bushes surrounding the entire area. They mark the total outer lengths as 35 meters, 35.2 meters, and 19 meters. The total length of the outside bushes is found by adding these lengths. 35 meters plus 35.2 meters plus 19 meters, totaling 89.2 meters. Finally, the team must calculate the perimeter of the mansion itself. The sides are labeled with lengths of 16 meters and 19 meters. The perimeter of the mansion is calculated as 19 meters plus 19 meters plus 16 meters plus 16 meters, which totals 70 meters. The final step is to sum all the calculated perimeters. The inside bushes require 212 meters. The outside bushes need 89.2 meters, and the mansion requires 70 meters. The total minimum length of string lights needed is 212 meters plus 89.2 meters plus 70 meters, which equals 371.2 meters. They conclude they need at least 371.2 meters of lights. They decide to buy 500 meters to have extra for more decorating, showing great teamwork and math application. They decorated the mansion and the park beautifully. As they took time to calculate the total, they bought enough length of the string and did not fall short of the string. Maths is a crucial and practical tool for navigating everyday life, helping solve real-world problems like measuring and decorating. Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All Series 1. Like and subscribe to get more exciting mathematic experiences with Manco.